Greetings everyone, welcome to Smartwatch Guide. Today let's have a detailed review about the DEMOR IWO W26 smartwatch. The smartwatch brand is DEMOR, and the watch model is IWO W26. It's a member of IWO family, and the watch has 3 colors. We can see the rose gold color with pink strap, and the black color with black silicone strap, and the silver color with white silicone strap. There is one round button at the right side of the watch case with a red circle, and there is a holes for the speaker and the microphone on the left side. Okay. Let's have a look at the white color. This is the silver color of the IWO W26 smartwatch. The strap can be removable and replaced by standard Apple Watch band. Okay, this is the rose gold color. Let's just compare the 3 colors. Okay. And at the back of the watch there is a 2-pin connector for the charger, and there is a round heart rate sensor at the back, at the center of the watch. This is the USB charger. It's a USB connector, and this is the 2-pin charger connector. Okay, let's charge the watch. Just connect the USBs to the USB connector. And connect the 2-pin connector to the watch. Now it's charging. It's showing the charging indication. Shows it's charging now. Okay, let's turn on the watch. Just long press the round button. Okay, let's charge it again. It shows the charger connected, charger removed. If we slide down the screen, we can see the battery indication, the changing. It shows the watch is charging now. Okay. Let's change the silver one. We slide through the screen from left to right to left. We can see many icons with different functions. We can click one to start the function. There are many functions supported by the watch. We can see camera, stopwatch, calculator, music, sleep time, heart rate sensor, and we can press the screen to change the watch face. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are totally 7 clock faces. And we need to connect the watch with the smartphone by just click this BT function to search. Okay. Turn power on the Bluetooth first. Okay. It's searching now, and we need to turn on the setting on the smartphone. Check out the Bluetooth setting. Now we can see the smartphone is searched, and click this phone name in the device list. We need to pair the watch with the smartphone. It shows connected with the watch. Okay, it's connected now. Then we can use the functions such as music. Let's turn on the music. We can control the music playing on the phone. And take camera, control the camera to take photos. And we can also make Bluetooth diary. Okay, it's calling now. We can also answer call if there is an incoming call. We can answer call on the watch. There are two UI menu styles, Smart Style and Line App Style. We can change to the Line App Style. This is the Bluetooth connection indicator status. Now it becomes blue color because the Bluetooth connection is connected. Okay, and the menu styles changed to line grid. Okay, make a call. It's calling now. Okay. This is the calling logs. It's synchronized from the smartphone. And this is the phone book. It's also automatically synchronized from the phone. And the iOS message. For iPhone, this function is disabled because the restriction of iOS, but Android is supported. It's available for Android phone. This is the BT Bluetooth connection. We can also disconnect the Bluetooth device here. This is the steps. It can count the steps, calories, and the distance you walked or when you walk or running. This is the menu style setting. Okay. This is the sleep monitor, sleep type. Heart rate sensor. And this heart rate sensor light green color when monitoring. And this is the sports function. It has many different sports patterns. For example, walking, running, climbing, cycling, basketball, badminton, table tennis, and football. Let's try the walking. Let's count down. Now it's monitoring now. It can calculate the steps, calories, and heart rate. Okay, stop. And the sports history will be saved. This is the QR code for the application, which we have to download and install it on the smartphone. This is the sports history saved. And this is the temperature function. It's also light screen. This is the blood pressure. And add a new alarm. We can set the time to alarm 6. Repeat every day. Okay, the alarm is ready. This is the calendar. And this is the music. It's playing now.